So I just got this new camera, the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. And what better way to test it out than to take it with me doing something I love. Snowboarding. So let's go. So the idea here is I'm gonna be taking you with me on my day and just vlogging everything with this new camera. I don't know how it's gonna feel. It's already a little more intimidating talking to a camera than it is actually to an iPhone. But it's something to get used to, and I'm really excited. This is something that I've wanted for a long time, and I'm super stoked that I'm actually going to be able to use it now, doing something I love, which is snowboarding. We're headed to Holiday Mountain. It's a very small hill compared to the mountains that you've seen in previous vlogs, but there is still a part there that I do want to learn some new tricks on. So that's what I'm going to try doing today. I'm going to be learning some new tricks. Okay, we have arrived at Holiday Mountain, and it is actually pretty empty, which makes sense. It is a Thursday morning, but nonetheless, we are here. So we officially made it. We are on the chairlift and we are gonna learn a new trick today. I'm not sure what that's gonna be yet, but we're gonna find something to work on. Yeah, it's different than the mountains, but we'll make the most of it. See what we can learn. See if we can have some fun. I think the goal today is going to be working on these features. I'm gonna try getting a front blunt 270 out. So that means I'm gonna be going backside down the mountain with a spin to get out of it. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so to progress into this trick, I started with a 50-50 to get comfortable, and then went for the board slide. It was a pretty sad attempt. From the start, I knew this would be a challenge. I got through my board slide here, but it was still feeling pretty sloppy, so I had my doubts. But I was learning something from each try. After another couple of attempts, I felt myself getting closer, and I started attempting to spin. But hiking this hill was exhausting, so I decided to take a short break. But here's where I made the rookie mistake. After powering the camera back on, I forgot to put it in the same settings as before, so the shots look different. Anyways, I think all I needed was that break, because after this attempt, I actually got it. Yeah. Let's go! Yes. Once is a fluke, twice is real. And then the camera died. Well, that's unfortunate. Camera died right after I landed the trick. So that's all I really got this whole day. That sucks. Because, I wanted to test with the camera, and I didn't realize how short this battery life would be. Maybe it's because it was a little cold outside. It's -5, so it really shouldn't have that much effect. I think I'll buy some more batteries for this camera, just so I have them, on the go, so this doesn't happen again. But it's interesting. Good to know for next time. We'll get some more footage with this thing. I'm not done trying to learn and figure this thing out. I feel like I didn't get to use it much because I had it just based on a tripod, but we'll see how the audio comes through and learn all that kind of fun stuff. Anyways, yeah, let's go home. Not gonna lie, it's kind of weird talking to a camera instead of an iPhone. It's a little more intimidating. It's a weird feeling, especially when you're walking around with the camera in front of you. That's why I need to get over that fear of you're walking into a building, you're with a camera in front of your face, and people are looking at you and well, I don't want to say anything now, it's everyone's watching. But in reality, they're not actually going to care. It's just in my own head. but it was a fun day. It was a fun day. Now I'm gonna go home, shower up. I need to get some work done because I'm literally playing hooky from work as we speak. Yeah, I got some things I need to do, and then in the evening I got volleyball, which is gonna give me another chance to use this camera, which is awesome. So just because the battery died early today doesn't mean it's gonna be the end of it. So let's see what else we can learn with this thing. I do really like it though. It makes me feel like I got a purpose when I have a camera out, and I think it's looking pretty good. But let me know in the comments how you feel the camera's looking. Also, let me know if you like seeing this type of content with me just like rambling to the camera and going snowboarding and just doing random things that are in my life. Like, is that something that you guys want to see more of? I want to know. I'm still learning the ropes with this whole YouTube thing, so be gentle with me. But yeah, we're having fun with it. That's why I got this camera to begin with. I wanna commit to this year with actually creating content and just getting in front of the camera, getting comfortable with it, and just learning how to speak to you guys, I guess. Like, usually I have someone in the car or like someone I can feed off of. But when it's just me and the camera, me and you at home, it's a little different. So this is a learning curve for me as well. We'll keep getting better. This is probably going to be the worst video that I create on this YouTube channel. So this is the bottom of the barrel. You know, there's nowhere to go but up from here, right? So I'm happy. We're having fun. Okay, we're back in the office. Abe's going to be here any second to drop off his car because my car is occupied currently and I will not have a ride otherwise. And he's already going to be in Morden with Danny. So he is going to let me use his vehicle to drive there, and I will just meet those guys and we will be playing volleyball. So I'm going to crush out a couple hours of work here, see how much I can get done because I spent the day snowboarding, so I need to make up those hours in the evening, which is the trade that I give for doing what I love. But that's okay.
I have GPS tracking software, so don't try to steal it.
Okay. So
I want to see this thing.
Yeah, here, come to the camera. I was just trying to test it out in like darker light. But
do you ever realize that maybe we're so funny that people are gonna start thinking it's staged?
Wow. No, I don't think so. Yeah, this is a ZV-1 Mark II.
That's actually so sick.
Gonna ride the new Bronco. I just wanted to test how good this video looks in the dark. Cause with an iPhone, it'd be pretty tough to see anything. But I mean, I can change the brightness in post later on, but I just want to see what the raw footage looks like. So, okay. Oh, fancy. Oh, geez, I'm already late. Just got here. But I don't even think. No, Abe and Danny aren't even here yet. Great, so Abe and Danny aren't even here yet, and I don't know any of these people playing volleyball. I guess, do I just join them, or should I wait? You know, I might get changed right away. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll get changed, and then I'll wait in there. I'll talk to some people inside.
Thinking 1 million, 2 million views?
Yeah.
We're next down, right?
Yeah. Should have spiked that one harder.
Maybe would have gone through the wall.
Look at me now. Longer hair. Ugly beard.
Ugly beard? More like a beautiful, luscious beard.
No, that's not true. But next time you see me, it'll all be shorter.
Really? I guess the next time I'm going to see you guys will be in Mexico.
I'll probably see you at the airport. Like, in reality, imagine that flight crashes, right?
What, our flight?
Yeah. How terrible would it be for, like,
You never say that on camera.
No, of course, I don't mean it like that, but someone brought it up to me this week.
That'd be very awkward now that I got this on camera. I got my shoes here.
I don't mean it to happen, but I'm saying, how horrendous would that be?
Yeah, that wouldn't be ideal.
Why is Danny always bringing out some dark stuff?
Oh, Abe, I guess I should give you your keys back.
Yeah, that'd be great.
That'd be ideal, hey. I made sure to find every pothole I could.
That's unfortunate because I just got my wheels aligned.
I bottomed out the suspension once or twice.
I've done that. It's not good.
Actually, will one of you guys stop at a restaurant?
Oh, why? Which one?
McDonald's, Wendy's.
Oh yeah, I'm in.
Which one?
Wendy's.
Wendy's?
Wendy's for sure.
Heck yeah.
Dude, that's so funny because I just really told Danny on the way here. I was like, I'm gonna make Cody drive your car home, so then you can come with me through the Wendy's drive-through.
Wait, is Danny coming to Wendy's too?
No, Danny's not eating out. That's his rule.
Oh, sucks to suck.
Wendy's.
Wendy's, let's go.
Can I get a junior bacon cheeseburger and a vanilla frosty?
Bro, why looks so stressed?
Small, medium, or large for that?
Small, please. And then can I get a second order?
For sure.
Bro, you were just stressing. You were just rubbing your forehead. It's like just.
I was thinking about everything else but my order. Well, that's unfortunate.
Oh, we're looking at our location, our live location.
That's so.
Also, your windshield looks very dirty in this.
No.
So
You're the one that drove it. That means you drove it all the way here without cleaning it.
Okay, and we are back. Back from a long day of fumbling around with this camera. But no, it's been good. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed watching me fumble around with this thing. And yeah, I'm sure there's gonna be lots more to come. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Feel free to hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next one.